Welcome. What would you like?
I want a coffee.
What coffee do you have?
Latte and cappuccino here.
What is a latte?
Coffee with steamed milk.
What is a cappuccino?
Coffee with foamy milk.
Which one do you recommend?
Cappuccino is very popular.
I will try cappuccino.
Great choice. Coming now.
Do you want it hot?
Yes, very hot, please.
What size do you want?
Medium size, please. Thanks.
Do you have small size?
Yes, small, medium, large.
Is medium a good choice?
Yes, perfect amount usually.
Do you want sugar?
Yes, just 1 spoon.
Do you want milk extra?
No, regular milk, please.
How much is the cappuccino?
It is $4.
Is that expensive?
No, reasonable price here.
Do you accept cards?
Yes, cards are fine.
Do you have cash too?
Yes, I have cash.
How will you pay?
I will pay cash.
Here is $5.
Thank you. Here's change.
Do you want a pastry?
Yes, what do you have?
We have many pastries.
What kinds do you have?
We have croissants, cookies, muffins.
I will try a croissant.
Is the croissant fresh?
Yes, baked this morning.
How much is the croissant?
$2.50, please.
Do you want it warm?
Yes, warm, please. Thanks.
Is the pastry case nice?
Yes, looks delicious there.
Do you like sweet things?
Yes, I love sweets.
Are the cookies homemade?
Yes, all homemade here.
What flavor are the cookies?
Chocolate chip mostly here.
Do you like chocolate chip?
Yes, my favorite kind.
Should I try one?
Yes, definitely try one.
I will take a cookie too.
Great. Adding it now.
How much is everything total?
Total is $6.50.
Here is $7.
Thank you. 50 cents back.
Is the cafe always busy?
Yes, especially in morning.
What time do you open?
We open at 7.
What time do you close?
We close at 9.
Do you work here daily?
Yes, 6 days weekly.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it.
Is making coffee fun?
Yes, very creative work.
How long have you worked here?
About 2 years now.
Is this a popular cafe?
Yes, very popular place.
Do many students come here?
Yes, especially for studying.
Is it good for studying?
Yes, quiet and comfortable.
Does this cafe have Wi-Fi?
Yes, free Wi-Fi here.
Can I use the Wi-Fi?
Yes, password is here.
Is there seating available?
Yes, many seats available.
Can I sit near window?
Yes, perfect spot there.
Do you serve breakfast too?
Yes, all-day breakfast.
What breakfast items do you have?
Eggs, toast, and sandwiches.
Do you have sandwiches?
Yes, several kinds today.
What is in the sandwich?
Cheese, ham, and vegetables.
Is the sandwich fresh?
Yes, made this morning.
How much is a sandwich?
$5 per sandwich.
Maybe next time then.
Yes, come back anytime.
Do you have tea too?
Yes, several tea flavors.
What tea flavors do you have?
Green, black, and herbal.
I prefer coffee usually.
Many people prefer coffee.
Is coffee popular here?
Yes, very popular drink.
Do you drink coffee daily?
Yes, every single day.
How many cups daily?
About 2 cups daily.
Is 2 cups too much?
No, just right amount.
Does coffee give you energy?
Yes, helps me focus.
Do you study with coffee?
Yes, helps concentration too.
Is your coffee ready now?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy it.
This smells amazing.
Yes, freshly ground beans.
Where do the beans come from?
Brazil and Colombia mostly.
Are those good coffee countries?
Yes, world-famous coffee.
Do you roast beans here?
No, we buy roasted.
Is the coffee strong?
Medium strength, very smooth.
Do you like it strong?
Yes, I prefer strong.
Will you come back tomorrow?
Yes, definitely tomorrow again.
What time tomorrow?
Same time, 9 o'clock.
I will see you then.
Looking forward to it.
Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.